This is code.org, CS Discoveries course, or Computer Science Discoveries. I'm working on Unit 2, which is their Web Development Unit. This is Lesson 7, Intellectual Property and Images, and then we're on Level 7, which is Attribution. Let's see what they have us doing. Giving credit. When using a Creative Commons licensed image, you need to give credit to the original creator. This is also called attribution. There are lots of ways to provide attribution, but the easiest way is to add text below the image that identifies the creator and the website it came from. So do this. In this page, we've already added the attribution. We've already attributed an image of a frog. Use the Creative Commons search engine to find another image of an amphibian. Ooh. Add your found image to this page along with proper attribution, including the name of the creator, if available, the website that it was found on, and the license it was published under. Ooh, this sounds kind of difficult. How do I add images if we've forgotten? Okay. What is an attribute? Why tags are not closing? All sorts of information. So we need to go find another amphibian. And partner, you remind me, yes, you watching the video, we need the creator's name, the website it was found on, and the license it was published under. All right, let's go ahead and get out of full screen and see what we can find. I have Google up here, so I'm going to go ahead and look for, oh, that's my name and panda, but let's look for a lizard. And then we do want images. And then, as I demonstrated previously, let's click on Tools, just to make sure we have the right to use this. I'm going to click on Usage Rights and labeled for Reuse. Ooh, which one? You know, I'm going to be on original and just pick this first one because he looks pretty proud. Perfect. This is great. So I have my image. Now, how I could save it. I'm going to right click on it and I can select Save Image As. Okay. This allows me to save it as a JPEG, which is what I was looking for. If your image says something else, say a HTML image file or something like that, I believe, let's see, type. If it says something else, such as an HTML image file, something like that, instead of JPEG or PNG, you might just want to go up here and type JPG, so you'll get a JPEG file. What's the information I needed? Partner, you were supposed to remember. I'm going to go ahead and click on this. Okay, and so I need the link, I think. And then the license, if we can find a license. Discover more. Oh, here's the license. You see this? Creative Commons. If you don't see where it might say a license, you might want to hit Control F and just search for creative, and that might pop up. Or you could search for license, things like that. But this one is Creative Commons. All right, what else did I need? I got the link. The name of the creator. Well, that looks like the name to me. And that's the only name they have there. So that's what we'll use. Alrighty, let's go back. How did they do this? I'm going to go ahead and close this up so I can see. Okay, okay, we don't need a direct link. Excellent. So first, let's add our image. And now if you forgot how to add an image, you can look right here for some reference, right? First, we need to upload it. So we're going to hit Add Image button. We need to upload our file. That is not what I wanted. I need desktop. And there's our handsome lizard. Open. And notice, successfully uploaded. Great. And it should pop up right over here. Yes, it did. We lost our code, but that's fine. If you want to check out the lizard or whatever file you uploaded, there he is. And here's our HTML document still. So let's get going on adding him. I'm going to kind of copy, so my favorite amphibians, that's going to be the main title. Let's do H2, right, like they did for this bush frog. Ooh, And notice this has turned pink. That's alerting you that there's an error, and there is an error. We haven't closed this H2 tag. So if I close it, that should go back to normal. So if you ever see pink, make sure to look above it, look for errors. Regardless, I should probably lizard reptile, forest dragon. I, though, am just going to name him Mr. Lizard. It's my site. His name is now Mr. Lizard. Let's see. And if this isn't updating, I need a space. You can always hit refresh and save. Now, how do I add an image? Well, this clues me in. I'm going to kind of just copy what they're doing because it's working, so I bet it's right. And then it's src, which is source without the vowels. And then I'm going to start typing, what did I name it here? And remember, you have to write this exactly. Mine's doesn't have any capital letters. So I'm going to do L-I-Z, and it popped up. I'm just going to click on it, and it fills it in, and I know it's right if I do that. There he is. And then space. Let's do our alt tag, and which is short for alternative. It's what loads if the internet's slow and the image fails, or for people who have difficulty with their vision. Let's see, it's a forest dragon. So maybe I'll actually title it here, Forest Dragon. Lizard? Sure. And then in my quotes. And then I'm going to go ahead and put that slash and that. And that's the end of our image tag. Remember, we don't actually need a separate ending tag. All right. I'm going to hit refresh and save. And let's scroll down. Aha! There's a lizard. You might notice mine's pretty big. They haven't gone into how to resize images yet. So we're just going to be okay with that. I'm okay with that. All right. Now I need to do this sourcing stuff. So I'm going to hit enter. And this is all going to go into its own paragraph. Let's see here. I'm going to go ahead and put the closing paragraph tag so I don't forget. And I'm going to just write inside of these guys. Let's see. So they first put the name of the photo. Do they have a name of this photo? Lizard, reptile, dragon? I don't know. Let's see. Where can we get the name? Well, I'm going to go by this. Yours might have a title somewhere. I'm going to say Lizard, Reptile, Forest, Dragon is our title. I'm going to actually close that. So, Lizard, Reptile, Forest, Dragon. Sure. Good enough. And by, well, I'm just going to copy this because I'm not going to write it right. Oh, maybe I will. P-I-R-O-4-D. All right, let's see. P-I-R-O-4-D. Sure. And then what do they have? From space, and it is from Pixabay. And it looks like normally you would capitalize the first letter, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. From Pixabay. Oh, is it .com? It is .com. .com. Great. And then I guess this is a sentence, so I'll end it with a period. And then our source is Creative Commons. Does it give us more? Is that 0? I'm going to put CC for Creative Commons. And then I already have my ending paragraph tag, so that should do it. I'm going to hit refresh and save. Let's go down and check it out. Perfect. We have our picture, we have this site, we've credited it, and we have CC for Creative Commons. That looks excellent. Go team. All right, we can keep going now.